How to pay bills with Revolut. First, navigate to the second tab at the bottom which says transfer. Then click on new. And here you're going to see the different options that you can actually transfer money from your Revolut accounts to somewhere else. So let's say that you would like to pay for a bill. So what you want to do is you want to click on bank recipients. And here you'll need to fill out the account details of the business that you are paying to. So it will ask you for the country of recipient's bank, currency, international business account number. And what you can also do is you can change it here from individual to business. So once you've entered their international business account number, the company name, you click on add recipients. After you've added the recipient, it's going to ask you how much you would like to transfer. Simply enter that amount, enter the reference number, and pay your bill. Now, after you've done the first payment, it actually becomes a lot easier because your recipient is going to be saved. So as you can see, this is the payment I make for my Wi-Fi. So all I got to do now is just click on send. I don't need to enter the account details again. All I got to do now is enter their amount and the reference. So Revolut makes it super easy. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.